I'm freaking out about the way you love me, even when I do you wrong.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree, and this is another episode of my nail diary series. So we are back and we are about to update my nail room and all my supplies and stuff like that. I am about to clean everything up. So as y'all know in my last video, if you have not watched my last video, then you need to go watch my last video before you watch this one. It's only right. But I did a nail supply haul, so I got some stuff from Amazon, Shein, and I got some stuff from Valentino, but I just didn't show y'all. You know, some nail powder. That's really it. Nail powder. That's it. But yeah. So I did a whole little haul, and I still got all my stuff here. Literally everything here. Because I literally just got done filming it. So yeah, if y'all have not watched it, y'all need to go ahead and go watch. I'm about to go ahead and clean my cart off, take all these stuff off, and then see what I'm putting on there. Yeah, I am about to clean these buckets and stuff out that I have. So y'all see how it looks. It looks crazy, right? So now I'm gonna show y'all my cart. It looks like this. It just ugly. Like I can't even. So that's why we're about to change it, and we're about to make it look like something. We're gonna do this part first, and then we're gonna do my table first, and we're gonna go over there in the corner and check out my my drawers and do a little bit of reorganizing. For the most part, everything is organized, but I want to do a reorganize and then take everything from off the top of my drawers, clean them, and reorganize and stuff like that. So yeah. Alright y'all, so far I got a little bit of organizing together. I guess kind of idea of how I want it to look so far. I'm washing up these. I think my cart is done, semi-done, until I go get some I get my towels and then the pedicure things. But I'm gonna show y'all how it looks so far though. I really like it. So in this little thing is my nail bits in here. I got some sanding bands, a cuticle oil pen that I need to put more cuticle in, some base gel, some bonding, base gel, top coat, dapping dish, clean implements, my spa tablets, and my salt, mineral salt. And in here, cuticle softener, callus remover, and some lotion, but oil is in there. And this is some cleansing spray, and then my duster brush. And on second row, I have my files, some brushes in here. It's like my pedicure kit. I got some pumice stones, buffers, and some toe separators. I got my scrubs. So this is my petty clay mask, and this is my scrub. Got 2 brushes, some lotion, and this is some more scrub, gloves, and then a bin down here is going to be for my towels, and I just got some more plum stones. Alright y'all, so now we're moving on to the next part of my room. The other side is currently 10:03, so I need to hurry it up. This is how the top of my cart look. It do look bad. It do. I'm about to just take everything off here, be sitting there, and it'd be kind of hard to clean out. So I'm gonna take this off to my little refrigerator, and yeah, I'm gonna clean it off and I'll be back. Alright y'all, so I did a little something, but y'all, I literally forgot to order the important, like, all this stuff is important, but the stuff that I like needed, I forgot to order it. So I gotta order it. But this is what I got so far. I cleaned it off. I took everything off, cleaned it off. This is some acetone, some pure acetone. I just put it in a squeeze bottle. I just put it in here. And then these are just some powders that, you know, I use mostly. So I just put it in arm's reach because y'all know my wall all the way over there. This is my barber size. So if I need to put my tools in here real quick, put it in here. I think I'm gonna put my sterilizer over here too, because I'm taking those stuff off of there. So I think I'm gonna put my sterilizer and my humidifier over here too. And yeah, I'm gonna move all these stuff. These are just a bunch of tip cases. I mean, a bunch of cases that I got. I don't even know why I order all these. Like, why did I need all these? Like, I don't know. Lint wipes. 10-20. Alright y'all, so I got one of the little things up there, and I don't have a screwdriver or nothing, so I just literally just was slamming it in there. So that's what I'm about to do with this other one. Right. Got it, y'all. Got it. These are little things that goes in my thing or something, but it's gonna go here, and I'm gonna put a little decor and then a candle up there, a fake one, and yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I'm done with my client. It's about 3:30 something right now, and what I'm about to do, I want to show y'all how it looks. It's so cute, right? Very much cute. Little heart stand with my iPad on it. Super cute, right? Yeah, I love it in here. Like, I just love it. Like, oh my gosh, I love the black accents and stuff. They just so cute. And I do gotta get some picture frames because I gotta put my license. I gotta hang it up. It's over there. But yeah, I'm gonna get some black frames so I can put my license up. And then I do have 2 more shelves that I need to put up to put my the rest of my polish up on my shelves too. So that's what I need to do. Right now, I've been here since like 7 something, so I didn't do a time check earlier, but that's how long I've been here. I'm gonna clock out. I really like my setup because it makes me feel more organized, and I just feel like it just looks better. Like, it's a cleaner look, you know, just having everything just organized and together rather than just throwing stuff all over the place. So I like it. I'll go ahead and put in my notes what I need to get from the store so that I will remember, so I won't forget. That's how much stuff I have on here. I'm gonna hit y'all when I'm getting in the car to go to the nail supply store. So I feel like I did good in here. I got exactly what I needed to get. I even got some soap out there too. So yeah, even though the soap was $4, it's okay. I got the black polish, I got the pedi kits, I got some cuticle oil. I didn't get no small jar. Now I need to find desk organizers, so I do need to go to Dollar Tree, and Dollar Tree is literally down the street. So that's what we're doing next, y'all. Next day, and I'm about to give y'all a little haul of what I got from the nail supply store yesterday. So in the first bag, sanding bands, so a little soap, some black and white liner gel polish, big bag, jelly spa back pedicures. So this is what I use to do my jelly pedicures and stuff. Jasmine scented one, orange. Luxe pedicures, the bubble salt, the sugar scrub, the massage mask, and the lotion. So it comes in a little box like this. Mango, rose, the rose tropical fruit, long pack of files, and this is 80. I use 182, but I just got these ones. But that's it for these. So now I'm about to put these on my cart. I'm about to organize them real quick. You just set them up. Okay. Put these ones in here. So this is how it looks. It is full. Yeah, so I like my cart. I think it's really organized now. I love this part, and I like how I just got my files in there, buffers here, toe separators, and then my stuff up here. Yeah, that is it for right now until I get the rest of my packages, because I can't really do nothing else. Oh, and I also got some cuticle oil, because remember I told you I needed a bottle. I just got a bottle already, and it smells really good. So I was just thinking, like, well, I could just use this, and once I'm finished with this, then I'll just refill it, you know, refill the bottle. I'm gonna do this because I don't know. That's what I got so far. Little candy thing. So when my clients come in, feel free to grab you something from over here. I will have some chips or something back here, or like nuts or something. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here. I was thinking chips. I have little chips, but I'm gonna keep this right here because you don't need to move it, you know. I will catch y'all later. I don't know what else I got planned for the rest of the day. I do have a toe removal, so that's what I'm about to do in a little while. But after that, I don't have no more clients for the rest of the day, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I got some stuff I need to take care of, so I know I need to do that for sure. But other than that, chilling. I'm gonna start editing this video so I can go ahead and get that video uploaded, posted, and stuff like that. So yeah, y'all, that is it for today. I think that's it for today, but if not, I'm gonna just catch y'all tomorrow maybe, or it'll be tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, it'll be probably next week for me, but a second for y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in a minute, and I hope y'all having a great day. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video, and follow me on my social medias. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. Today is July 4th, couple days until my birthday. Let's get into it. These are my nails. Something simple, not too much, you know. Currently 5:14. I just finished doing my client like a little while ago. So yeah, still waiting on my package to come. It's supposed to be here today or either tomorrow. It was delayed basically. So yeah, but remember when I told y'all that I was gonna put the little thing on my table? I changed my mind because I think I have something else that I wanted to do. So I got some glue from Walmart, and I got a pack of pictures, a lot of pictures of my work, and we're just gonna put it on my table and we're gonna see how this looks. So mind you, I don't really know how this is gonna look. I was just visualizing it in my head. Okay, cool. Different angle, right? This is how it looks. Crazy, right? All that is like a bunch of polishing paint and all. Girl, over it. I got a bunch of these pictures from free prints. So basically it's a bunch of free pictures. You only pay for shipping. I've been using them for years. Alright, y'all, so I got everything laid out, and I'm about to go ahead and use this glue to glue it down. I'm just gonna poke 2 holes in it.